Hi, Husky Pups. Mrs. Volts here. Happy Friday. We're going to do a math lesson today on something a little bit new, and I thought it would be great for our friend Dinosaur to help us with it. We have been talking about size. We have been looking at things that are long and short and big and small. Well, today we're going to talk about weight. Now, what is weight? Weight can be heavy, like really big and bulky and hard to lift, or it can be very light and almost float in the air. We're going to talk about heavy and light today. So, I want you to make a prediction. What do you think? Here's our Dinosaur, and here's Mrs. Volts. Which one of us is heavier? What do you think? Is the Dinosaur heavy, or is Mrs. Volts heavy? And I'm not going to mind. You can say it. I'm heavier than the Dinosaur. Our Dinosaur, we can toss in the air. Mrs. Volts, we can't. I'm heavier, and he is lighter. Well, we're going to look at some things. He's going to sit right here with us. We're going to look at some things and decide which is heavy, which has more weight, and which is light, which does not have as much weight. So let's take a look here first. I've got two blocks. Look at those. They're both blocks, but they are different kinds of blocks. This one is what? What was that word we were using? Long. This is a long block, isn't it? And this one is a short block. Which one do you think is heavier? The bigger one is. This one is heavier. It has more weight. And this one is lighter. Let's look at something else. How about these? I have a tennis ball and I have a pom-pom. Which one do you think is heavier? Can you point to the one that's bigger? This one is bigger, isn't it? And it is heavier. The big ball is heavier than the pom-pom. It weighs more. Okay, let's look at two of our Lego animals. Look at there. It's a dinosaur buddy for you. Our dinosaur or our kitty cat? Which one do you think would be heavier? I think you know, guys. The dinosaur is bigger, so he would be heavier. Now, I want to show you something here. This is called a balance. And we can use this to weigh things. And if one side goes down, that means that side is heavier. So if this side went down, whatever is in here would be heavier than this. The weight makes the balance go down on one side. See, it's not going down at all now because both of these are empty. But we're going to put some things in there. Let's do, you know what? Let's try the pom-pom and the tennis ball to see if what we thought is true. We said the tennis ball is heavier. Well, let's find out. If the tennis ball side goes down, then yes, we were right, it's heavier. So I'm going to put the pom-pom in here. That side went down. There's nothing in here. Let's see. Let's see. Look at there. That side did go down. The tennis ball is heavier. We were right. Do you want to try the dinosaur and the kitty? Let's do that one. So we have our dinosaur Lego and our kitty. I'm going to put the kitty on this side And the dinosaur in here, oh yeah, remember the side that goes down on our balance, this is called a balance or a scale, the side that goes down is the heavier side. So this is heavy, and the cat is light because he went up in the air. Okay, what about this? These things are totally different. A marker, and I have a basket of shells. Now the marker, it's taller than the basket, isn't it? Which one do you think is heavier? Let's find out. Take a guess, make a prediction. Remember, we talked about predictions. It's a guess as to what you think is going to happen. So I'm going to put our marker on this side. I'm going to put our shells on this side. Oh my goodness, it fell right off. That's how heavy it is. Look at there. The shells are heavier than the marker. They are, aren't they? Okay. We've got another one. What's this? It's our pumpkin that was over by the scarecrow. And this is a feather. Let's see which one is heavy and which one is light. The heavy side is going to go down. The light side is going to go up. So let's see. Look at that. Did you see how it's angled down right there? Yes, it is. This side is heavier with the pumpkin, and the feather is light. Let's do one more, because these two are fairly close in size. Look. The marker and the feather. They're both long, kind of skinny. I wonder which one is heavy and which one is light. I don't know. Let's try it and see. Are you ready? I'm going to put them in at the same time. Make your prediction, because here we go. Which one's heavier? The marker. That's the side that went down. The marker side. It's fun to measure things, whether we're finding out how long or how short something is, or how tall and how short something is. It's fun to measure. Weight is also fun to measure too, to find out which is heavier and which is lighter. So what you're going to do on Seesaw today is there is one activity where you need to look at two things and circle which one you think is heavier and which one is lighter. But then this is where the real fun comes in. I want you to look around your house, and I want you to take a picture of something that is heavy and take a picture of something that is light. And maybe we could do heavy would be something that you cannot carry, and light could be something that you could carry. I can carry our dinosaur friend, so he could be my light thing, right? My chair, that would be hard to carry. It's heavy. So my chair would be my heavy thing, and my dinosaur would be my light thing. Have fun with it, pups, and I will talk to you soon. Have a good day.